Hi, Rayuki Blaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to color your name. First, put this code. Any color you like instead of aqua. Then if you put this code, see your name is colored. Now I'll show you how to color name Devil Whitey. I mean YouTube, because he is also a YouTuber. Okay. Then put this. Then put this. And now if you do this, whoops, and see your name is colored Devil Whitey, same. Okay, now I tell you the color codes, so make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that like button so I can always see you. And for now, bye.